All right, so welcome to my beautiful nightmare. We have successfully removed the funky ass interior, and we are going to get a vacuum and extract all these helicopter seeds and wipe her down a little bit and let her dry out, you know what I mean? But just glancing at it, you know, you're at the mercy of whoever had the car before you, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that ain't right. I don't know everything, but if this is the definition of a tucked wiring harness, I'm not really a fan. But, you know, what do I fucking know, right? So, I mean, previous owner's been in here, previous owner's been in here. Good times. But, I mean, look at that dashboard. That shit is mint, all right?